Worst Charlotte restaurants of July: Roaches, flies, health code violations. Imagine walking into a restaurant and being greeted by the sight of roaches, flies, and decaying vegetables. Sounds appalling, right? Well, that's exactly what Mecklenburg County health inspectors encountered during their July inspections. They uncovered a host of violations, ranging from filthy dishes to expired food and an alarming presence of insects. While June saw no restaurants in Mecklenburg County receiving a dreaded C grade, July was a different story. 4 eateries managed to scrape by with low B grades, scoring between 80% and 89%. Let's dive into the details of these less than stellar performances. Cottage Restaurant, 6701 North Tryon Street, Charlotte. Cottage Restaurant faced a tough inspection on July 2nd, earning a score of 81.5%. Inspectors noted flies buzzing inside and dried vegetable matter on a prep sink that seemed untouched for days. The situation worsened with dirty dishes mistakenly stored as clean and a fly swatter left. Charlotte Bojangles fail health inspections, bugs, dirt, and more, July 2024. When it comes to dining out, cleanliness is non-negotiable. Recent health inspections at 2 fast food establishments in Charlotte have raised serious concerns, revealing significant issues that could affect customer safety. Both locations received disappointing B ratings this July after inspectors discovered unsanitary conditions, including the presence of pests and unclean environments. At the North Tryon Street location, inspectors found a bug crawling through the storage area, resulting in a score of just 87%. Meanwhile, the Albemarle Road restaurant scored slightly better at 89%, but only after flies were spotted buzzing around the kitchen. This situation is alarming, especially considering the county's findings that stated facility duties are unable to be safely accomplished with 1 staff member on duty to prepare and serve a highly trafficked facility. As reported by the Charlotte Observer, both establishments exhibited a disregard for basic hygiene practices. For instance, employees at the North Tryon site were observed hurrying through hand-washing procedures, and alarmingly, there was no soap available in the men's restroom. Additionally, food items were improperly stored on the cooler floors at both locations, violating essential food safety regulations. This is not the first time the North Tryon restaurant has faced scrutiny. This marks their 2nd strike since March. The Albemarle Road location has now failed inspections 4 times, with their last significant failure occurring in early 2021. The issues extended beyond just pest control. Staff members were seen working without proper head coverings, and the drink machines were sticky and in need of thorough cleaning. Walls were grimy, and at the Albemarle Road site, both the bathrooms and kitchen tools were found to be dirty. These troubling scores emerged during a week when health officials conducted inspections at 166 local eateries. The majority of these establishments passed with high marks, achieving A ratings above 90%. Only 3 locations, including the 2 mentioned, fell short with B scores. State regulations mandate these health inspections to prevent foodborne illnesses. Any establishment receiving a score below 70% faces immediate closure. The last establishment to receive a B rating was Faux Real on East McCullough Drive, which scored 88%. Inspectors noted that staff were coughing while cooking and mishandling raw meats, although they managed to rectify most issues on site. Curious about the cleanliness of your favorite dining spot? The county maintains a public list of all health inspection scores, which anyone can access to stay informed about local food safety standards. Restaurant health inspection secrets. What you need to know about food safety in Charlotte. Shocking. A casual lunch outing in South Charlotte turned into a health inspector's nightmare when diners discovered evidence of careless food handling. But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't the first time this restaurant has slipped under the radar. On July 25th, Shane's Rib Shack at 5220 New Fashion Way was handed a B grade, earning an 89% score from the Mecklenburg County Health Department. Inspectors were alarmed to find a piece of charcoal in direct contact with cooked, ready-to-eat chicken tenders. And this is the part most people miss. That stray charcoal could harbor bacteria or chemicals that compromise food safety. Beyond the rogue charcoal, several other violations surfaced during the inspection. A sanitizer solution was stored in a sink reserved for hand.